This DIY alarm system is solid, easy to install and use, and by golly, the price is good. This is the Ring Alarm. So TechHive has tested a bunch of home security systems, but this is one of the best that we've seen. It's easy to set up and use, so if you're looking for a straightforward DIY security system, you should seriously consider the Ring Alarm. The $199 starter kit includes this wireless base station, a keypad for arming and disarming the system, a door and window sensor, an infrared motion sensor, and this range extender. The whole system works pretty much like any other alarm. When the system is tripped, a 105 decibel siren, right here, goes off and an alert pops up on your smartphone. If you have Ring cameras, you can see what's going on through the app. But remember, Ring only has outdoor security cameras at present, so you'll have to check any indoor cameras through their own apps if you have them. From there, you can disarm the system via smartphone, or you can tap a 4-digit PIN code into the keypad or decide to call the police if it's warranted. Making the base station and the keypad 2 units was a smart design decision because you can hide the base station away where you don't see it, and you can add additional keypads at other doors if you require them. The system has home and away modes. The latter arms everything, the former just the perimeter with the indoor motion sensors shut off. One of the things you can't do with the Ring Alarm is disarm it with a key fob or automatically when your smartphone gets close. Ring said that was a conscious design decision to increase security. Additional door and window sensors are just $20 and motion sensors are $30, both very competitive prices. So all in all, it's a pretty standard home security system. One of the more interesting things is what it might become. This box is loaded with radios, Wi-Fi, LTE cellular, Z-Wave, Zigbee and Bluetooth. So it could connect to other smart home devices. Ring says it's planning to expand the system to do just that. So perhaps in the future it might say unlock smart locks if a smoke alarm detects smoke. But right now it doesn't do any of that. So we're always very cautious about buying products with the promise of upgrades. Sometimes those upgrades never come. So if you want potential extra features, don't buy this until they're available. The Ring Alarm stacks up pretty well against the competition. For now, as I said, it's not particularly fancy. For example, these door sensors are basic magnetic types. They're not the combo motion sensing units that the Nest provides, but they are way cheaper. And price is the biggest innovation Ring has going for it. Ring is charging just $10 per month for professional monitoring. Now, you don't need it. You can run the system yourself and pay no monthly charges. But with professional monitoring, there's a 24/7 watch over your alarm system. No matter when it trips, someone will call you and they can call the police too. Pretty much all of Ring's competitors charge between $20 and $30 per month for monitoring. That's where they make their money, and that's why many traditional security companies will give you a free alarm in return for signing a 3-year contract. 3 years at $30 a month, you're investing over $1,000 in those systems. With Ring, you can start and stop monitoring at any time, so you're not locked into a contract. But it gets better. The $10 also covers unlimited cloud video storage for as many Ring security cameras and doorbells as you have. So if you already have Ring cameras or you're thinking about buying some, this is a great package. Ring's biggest competitor, Nest, charges a minimum of $20 per month for monitoring and then an extra $3 to $5 per camera, and the hardware is more than double the price. So why is Ring so cheap? Well, the smart home market is still relatively small and there are 2 huge companies battling for dominance. Ring is owned by Amazon and Nest is owned by Google. Both those companies know that once they get their foot in the door, literally in this case, consumers will be much more likely to stay within their same tech family and end up with Alexa or Google Assistant smart homes. And then they can make much more money by selling stuff to you. TechHive rated the Ring Alarm 4 out of 5 and we made it an editor's choice. We love the ease of use and its price and we're excited about what it might become.